There's a bumper sticker that is getting quite popular on Island. During the lockdown, a lot of people moved here from cities nearby without really assimilating to island life. It's definitely set us back a little bit. A boat ride doesn't make a missionary, much like a ferry ride doesn't make an islander. Becoming an islander is more like the process of those cicada bugs. You dig in, plant yourself on a small island, wait 7 years, and then if you're lucky, you get a new set of wings. There's definitely some kind of transformation or metamorphosis that takes place. Since about the year 2000, there's been a bump in the road at the bottom of the hill leading into the town of Ganges. I saw a woman lying face down on the road with her bicycle beside her and a broken collarbone. She was being tended to by others. The last bicyclist lying on the road with a broken collarbone, I picked up and drove them to the hospital. Another time I watched a tourist on a rented scooter wipe out on one of the sharp corners on Rainbow Road. I drove that guy to the hospital too. He was pretty banged up and obviously in shock. He's healed up fine. So be careful on these roads. It's not worth ruining your vacation. So back to the bump in the road. There were times where it became a giant pothole. But the spirit of Salt Spring struck again when one of our priceless salt springers planted a Christmas tree in the pothole.